Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix confirm it's you to log in your Instagram account. So guys, if you want to log in your Instagram account on Instagram app or on any other browser and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back and after going back, you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down and here you need to find app management. So guys, simply you need to click here, and guys, after this you need to click on app list, and here you need to find Instagram. And guys, after this you need to click on Instagram, click on storage and cache, and guys, after this click on clear cache. And after doing this, you need to go back and open any internet browser in your phone. So guys, I am opening UC browser in my phone. And guys, after opening your internet browser, here you need to search instagram.com. And guys, after searching, you need to open first one link instagram.com official link. And guys, after doing this, you need to log in your account here. So guys, here is the option of login. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, you need to put your phone number, username or email address, and below you need to write your password. And guys, if still having this issue, confirm it's you, then guys, simply you need to click on forget this password. So guys, click on it, and after clicking on it, here you need to write your phone number or email address or username. So guys, I am writing my phone number, email, username. Guys, after this, simply you need to click on send link, and after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, after this, here you can see I have this problem in my phone. So guys, simply you need to click on this is I am not a robot. So guys, simply you need to fill this captcha. So guys, when I am clicking on it, and guys, here you can see it requires confirmation that I am robot or not. So guys, simply you need to select stairs in this picture. And guys, after selecting it, you need to click on next. So guys, when I am clicking on next, so guys, here you need to select motorcycle. So guys, here you can see this is the motorcycle. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on verify, and still not verifying. And now I am selecting again motorcycle. And guys, after this you need to click on next, and still it is that stairs. So guys, I am selecting stairs, click on verify, and now you can see it is verify. And guys, after this you need to click on next, and wait for a few seconds. And guys, here you can see Instagram send me an email to my this Gmail address. So guys, simply you need to open this Gmail address and open the email that sent it by Instagram. And guys, after opening it, you will be able to see a link, password change link. So guys, simply you need to click on that link, and after clicking on that link, then that link will shift you on password change tab. And guys, then you need to change your Instagram password. And guys, after changing your Instagram password, then you need to go back and open your Instagram app and log in again your Instagram account. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.